my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are you, my sunshines? Talking about sunshine, I'm wearing bright yellow today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold. Welcome to my humble abode. And today's episode, we continue styling, fashion, getting it together. This is the fabulosity right here. Today's episode is all about long life fashion tips that you will constantly revisit. This is going to be your Bible. You're going to go with this guide. With this guide, you will very seldom steer wrong. You must be saying, Fumi, you look very nice and bright. What is this? The dress is Ralph Lauren, and then the earrings are a beautiful gift for my wonderful girlfriend, Christina. Isn't she fabulous? Yes, 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 yes. So here we are, my darlings. Without any further ado, let us start. Well, the first one I'm going to tell you. If you see somebody that is similar to you in complexion, in height, in body shape, and you like their style, let that be like a guide. Fumi, what do you mean? All right, a lot of you say, Fumi, you remind me of Michelle Obama. I love what Michelle Obama wears sometimes. Really casual, really nice. So I will look to her wardrobe and say, all right, let me incorporate one or two looks and give it my spin. Because we're both tall, yes. We both have that gorgeous dark complexion. So I can look to her as a guide. I love fashion, styling. I've been doing it for years, but still, I always get inspired by everything and everyone around me. As a matter of fact, some of you will even say, oh, Fumi, I love this girl. She reminded me of you. Then I will look and I'll be like, oh, I like her style. Let me see. Because sometimes it can trigger things in you to say, I think I like it. Maybe I'll do it this way. Or I like the dress, but I'll take it in a different color. Because when it comes to style tips, it's bones. You are going to add on the meat. You are going to dress it all up. And that's how it becomes your individual style. You take the guide, but you mix it up so that it caters to you. Talking about catering to you, be conscious of your bra size and shape. I have a video for you guys. I talked about how you can size up your bras. I have a video for you guys. You're gonna live for it, love it. Then you should understand your shape. Are you pear shape? Are you athletic? Are you a figure 8, which means that you've got bust and hips and a smaller waist? You find out what shape you are. Are you tall? Are you medium? Are you petite? All of this falls into what your individual style will look like. Because there are fabulous, glamorous, well-dressed women out there. They know what complements their shape. Talking about shape, I have about 25 different bras, essential for the different types of clothes and cuts outs that I have. You have to have good bras and you have to have fabulous shapewear. I'm coming to your aid, my darlings. Just hold on tight. But in the meantime, I would suggest you have flesh tone colored bras. You're going to need them. Make sure that you have bras that's as close as possible to your complexion. Your shapewear will really give off your style. No matter what you wear, if your underpinnings are not right, it's not going to look good. It is not what? It's not going to look good. Okay? Then, my darlings, if it's tight, it's not right. If it's tight, it is not right. It is not style. You are looking quite restrained. It will start gaping in all the places you don't want it to gape. You will look untidy, unkept. You will look rushed. It is not any kind of style. It is not any kind of look that you need or want. So make sure that your clothes fit right. If they fit right, that's okay. Even if they're a little bit baggy, you can always throw in a belt and just snatch it in for the waist. But once it's tight, there's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. Once it's tight, it is out again. And I mentioned it in the other episode. You need your alterations guy. You need your alterations guy because he's going to custom your clothes. And when they custom your clothes fits perfectly for your individual body shape. Invest in an alterations guy. He will sort you out. I live for him. I live for him. I live for him. My mother told me this years ago, and you cannot begin to imagine how much it has really changed my wardrobe. I'll give you an example. Let us say you buy a pair of trousers. Over time, they become tight, and that's fine because we change. Your alterations guy can go down the seam leg of the trousers on both sides and put a solid panel collar down. All of a sudden, you're the only one with those pair of trousers, and it elevates the look completely. And all of a sudden, you have a pair of fabulous red trousers, for example, with black stripes all the way down. Show off your best asset. Show it off. If that be your gorgeous arms, like Michelle Obama, do you see what she does? She always wears sleeveless dresses. Always, 90% of the time, she wears sleeveless dresses because she's got those beautiful arms. If it is legs, show off those legs, show off those calves. If it is a nice cinched in waist that you have, show it off. Wear your belts. Wear all kinds of chain belts, dangling belts or whatever. If you have a beautiful decollage, you've got a lovely bust and your bust is perky, you know you can wear all of those long centered dresses where you have that long decollage, long necklaces, your neck as well, your shoulders. You show off your assets. First thing, they'll be like, oh wow, she's looking good. Look at her beautiful legs. If it's legs you have, that's it, mama. You're wearing your trousers, you're wearing shorts. Oh, I wish I could wear shorts. I don't know. But some girls, you can wear your shorts, you can wear your skirts, you can wear short skirts, you can wear long t-shirt and your short skirts with flats. And you're looking gorgeous. And that in a way becomes your individual style. You always gear towards showing off the best of you. If you're not showing off the best of you, what's the point? Show off the best of you. Lean towards timeless pieces. For me, what do you mean by that? I mean pieces in your wardrobe that are not trends. Why? The longevity of these clothes are much longer than trends. Trends are usually 6 months. It is spring, summer, autumn, winter. Those are the fashion shows that we go to twice a year. So if those fall in line where you're buying something that this is hot this season, it's not going to last. By the time you look 2-3 years back on it, it looks dated because it was a trend at that time. So you look for nice tapered long trousers. A pencil skirt will take you to work, to the conference, to dinner, to a club. You just change the tops. A pencil skirt is so beautiful and it is so alluring and very, very sexy. And you can bring it up and you can tone it down. And you can have the slit on the side, in the back, or in the front. It is an essential because you can wear it everywhere and anywhere. You can buy and really invest in that Chanel bag. You will have it forever, because it's a timeless piece. You can invest in that. You can invest in a pair of beautiful court shoes, black. Why? Because you can wear them all year round and the next year and the year after. In simple black court shoes, leather as a matter of fact. Invest in your accessories. Invest in silver and in gold accessories. Warm tones, cool tones. And you can also update your clothes by fun accessories. Accessories are fun. You don't have to take it too seriously. So always have wonderful statement piece accessories that you can buy everywhere and anywhere. If you are uncomfortable, it's too much trouble. If you are wearing something that is uncomfortable, the tags, for example, I can't stand them. I have to cut them off. It doesn't matter what brand it is, whether high street or high fashion, I have to take them off. If the trousers, all of us, it happens to me too, sometimes they're tight in the hip, but they're loose in the waist. You find yourself, you're constantly adjusting your shirt, you're adjusting your dress, you're adjusting your skirt. It's not worth it. Take it off. Leave it. Take it to where your alterations guy and let him sort it out for you. It is not stylish for you to be fidgeting, constantly tagging onto your dress or to your clothes, because it lacks and it does not exude confidence. That is a huge part of style, that you are confident and you feel good in what you're wearing. When you feel good in what you're wearing, you are confident, and that really just comes all the way through. And it's that certain je ne sais quoi that you cannot just put your finger on it, but it's there, and we are living for the fabulosity, my darling. So if it is uncomfortable in any way, shape or form, it's itchy, the fabric is not great, take it off. As well as you having an alterations guy, you have to have a cobbler guy. You have to have his phone number right there. They have to sort your shoes out. You know what I've come to realize, which I live for? They can put the grips at the bottom of your shoes. That is one. They can also put insoles so that you don't end up having corns. So make sure you have a cobbler. Have pops of color. Have pop. Go bold every once in a while. You'll be surprised. Have a pop of color. Whether it's your bag, whether your shoes, whether your accessories, whether your blouse, whether a dress, whether a skirt, whether a pair of trousers. Baby steps, I understand. You can wear all black and you can wear navy blue trousers. That's a pop of color. It's a shade. It will absolutely elevate instantly your style. It's a fabulous style tip, and it gives you that individual style. And last but not least, I would, when I'm going shopping, buy black, buy camel, buy gray. Buy those shades first, because most probably you will have stuff that you can wear alongside in your wardrobe, and then you can gradually now take baby steps to discover pops of color, because you want to make sure that you're well invested. Okay, my darlings, I hope you enjoyed the episode. And the next episode that we will do, guess what? Style essentials, wardrobe essentials. All right, darlings, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you very soon. Don't forget to write down in the comments any other suggestions that I might have missed, but I promise you here and now, with this guide, you're good to go. All of my love, darlings. Mwah.